What's going on?
Today's finally the day. Adam and I prepped the car for paint probably about 2 months ago. And plans fell through a lot. But
Or wait.
it's finally the day. So we're going to Tori's house, slatzkitz on Instagram. We'll put it over the screen. He's gonna finish off the prep work. Whole rear end still needs to be fucked with. The hood needs to be fixed because it's rusty now. A couple more dents need to be filled. Looks like there's rust on my rocker right there. That's gonna be tight. Yeah, we got the paint.
Explain our camera situation to you.
Okay, well the camera just broke. Like it's been acting up probably for the past like month or so. And I think it just died. Either the batteries are fucked or the camera's fucked. But we're gonna go buy, we're on Adam's GoPro right now. We're gonna go buy our own. So make sure you pick up some merch because it's gonna be some damage.
Link in the description.
But paint, just we're not gonna be heinous like all those YouTubers. It's staying white, 326 super white, so same as Adam's R32. Just single stage because I don't have money for base and clear, or do I really care? It's 240. Single stage or not, it's still gonna be worth 20 grand in 5 months, so whatever. But yeah.
Also got the dorky rear valence. You guys haven't seen that, but that's going on.
Yeah, so that's going on, and then Tori's, he also does fiberglass, so he's making me some skirts.
Hand laying some skirts for Noah. Doesn't get more prestigious than that.
I don't know, is that like the end style skirt? I don't know what it is.
I don't know, it looks sick though.
Yeah, it'll be cool. It'll be tight. So yeah, we're gonna drive there, drop off the car, say what's up to Tori. Hopefully he doesn't get too mad about all this rust. And maybe we'll film going to Best Buy or something. Torrance's stomping grounds.
There's Torrance's car, the RB20 in it. We had some ride-alongs in that, and oh fuck. God damn it.
What's up, boys?
What's going on?
What's going on?
How you doing?
Standing.
It's new. Fucking excited or what?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
So,
Well, we're gonna shuffle around a few pieces of shit and get you in here.
Right on.
Look, this fucking thing I just made it.
Yeah, see it.
That turned out pretty good. Like, don't get me wrong, it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it for like commercial work. It's pretty decent.
I fell down to earth from 100.
Bumper's coming off so I can go down the driveway. Last time we'll see it like this.
yeah.
How
It's gonna be
exciting.
crazy. It hasn't been one color since I've owned it.
No, it's always been, because the hood was like blue.
Yeah, when I first got it, well, when I first got it, it was like the one via.
Yeah.
Regular S13, it was all pearl white, but that lasted literally the day we picked it up. We took the front end off to get it on the trailer, and then we put the Sylvia hood on with no fenders, and then it was, I think the fenders were black, Sylvia fenders,
Yeah, something like
and
that.
then I painted them white, but it looked like shit, so that doesn't count, and then they were red.
Fuck, there's probably so much wind noise. Just talk really loud. Yeah, the two-tone Canadian flag livery. Red with red and white's going.
ever. This is the first car I ever did an engine swap in. First car I ever
Got painted.
painted. First car I've actually like. I don't know. I've done so much shit to this car.
Hey,
Doing?
Good, you?
not too bad.
Good. Are you guys broken down or?
No,
we're
we're
just
just.
about to move it. Like,
Oh, you're
right
just
now.
moving it. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you though.
Okay. Have a good one.
You too. Thanks. All right. Well, hopefully after Noah's car is painted, don't get questions like that.
I think this is where we're parked kind of yellow.
Ugh, what are you doing, man? Illegality.
It's alright.
Red flag. All right. Are the signals screwed in? Oh, okay. I'll carry it.
I'll bring this down to Torrance and then.
All right.
Alright, Torrance is pulling the car in because it's absolutely fucked.
Oh,
Now
on camera
now
too.
he knows what's up with the clutch. I told him the clutch is really fucked. Got a new one coming though. We'll do that after paint.
Yeah.
What's rattling on the
Oh no, I haven't heard that before. Maybe it's Torrance's big wheel curves.
I think the whole car. I think the downpipe is loose. Look, it looks cool from the outside.
Yeah. That's a bit crunchy. Yeah, hit it with some speed. Oh yeah.
It's good for it.
Just gotta grind through it. Way easier.
Two-door thing.
Yeah.
My car actually looks pretty. I don't think I've ever seen it. It's fine. Send it.
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's like it fits
So much better.
like a glove.
Your clutch is fucked.
That's what I'm saying. It's the freaking 6-puck like XTD eBay special.
It's like also like your gas pedal, like only like
Yeah, it's like it starts.
it's like
down.
halfway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I thought what you meant like it engages like at different points, but no, it's like the throw is like half as long
Yeah.
as it should be.
It's really. I'm doing a new one after paint. It's
Sick.
Some dimes welded in here.
Battery's still on.
That was sick, boys.
yeah. Sorry about it.
No, it's okay. Stock OEM spoiler things, right?
There's money in here though.
And like
It's good value. Yeah.
There is.
Free fill, bro.
Oh yeah.
It's like the hood, and then I'll show you the quarter panel. Like,
Oh yeah, it's this quarter over here.
this quarter I was like sanding, and I found this car was crashed in like '98.
Oh yeah.
So this whole quarter was like a different shade of white.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So there's Bondo there,
Yeah.
and then this is reason the hood is so fucked is because when I did my own paint job on front end,
Yeah.
and I didn't reduce my primer because I was dumb.
Did it wrinkle up on you?
It's just sprayed on. If I pop the hood, you can see what it used to look like. Like
Okay.
it's like fucking textured.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
And then it looked like this, and I was like, "Fuck, Tori's gonna be pissed." So I go outside one day,
Tori's gonna be
It's Uncle Tori.
and I sanded
So
all
bad.
the rust off, and then put like that rust converter shit.
Yeah,
from,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
Canadian Tire,
Yeah.
and then I got it on paint, and it
That's
started.
alright. Yeah. Yeah. I see what you're saying though. Yeah.
Sorry,
Okay. No, it's all good, man. We'll just fucking sand the piss out of
I
your
was gonna
hood.
say, I wonder how many hours of palm sanding it would take me, but we'll
A
get
couple
there.
hours for sure. Other than that though, do you want trim left black or do you want it? Yeah, other than that, this is pretty straightforward. This doesn't have a lot of issues with it. And you've done what looks like a bunch of the body work.
I was gonna say, are we fixing any other dents?
I mean, I don't know how good I did. Like,
I mean, we'll go over it, but like it looks like you've done, you know, the hardest chunks for us anyways, you know. It's sort of, you've taken care of the welding, and all this rust is actually just like surface rust, so it's really not like, once you get a palm sander on it, it'll just fucking disappear.
I know there's a dent somewhere here, like on this line, and then there's one I didn't do right under the mirror. I think right
Oh,
here.
I can feel it
Just a
right
little
there.
dinger.
Yeah, but that's about it.
Yeah, no, that's alright. Yeah, the front quarter looked like it over there had a little bit of a wobble I might fix on it, but other than that, that's... And then I'll take your tail lights out and paint behind your tail lights.
Yeah, I didn't sand any of it.
No, that's all good. And then like I'll probably leave your rear bumper and the valence on, but I'll take your tail lights out. I usually do bottom of the trunk and like the lip in here, so that when you pop the trunk, it looks like it should. And then same thing with your door jambs. It'll be like open the door, it'll look like it should. You know, none of that like bullshit. Yeah, and I'll take your rubber trim all off so that like when you put it back on, it's not like flaky paint off your rubber trim in 6 months from now. You know. Yeah, seems pretty straightforward. I'll get you a set of side skirts that you want.
Hell yeah.
Yeah,
And-
the lines are still straight.
Turbo smart. Which valence is that?
It's the Bomex, like, Bonneville.
Oh, it goes around the back, right?
Goes around the whole thing.
It's kind of cool.
Like connects behind the plate.
That's kind of neat. I don't think I've actually seen that one before. Not like worked on one before. Huh. Neat.
Like, take this as, like, Adam and I have no fucking clue what we're doing.
Adam,
Hey.
I don't know
Don't
what
know
we're
what's
doing.
happening.
Oh, dude, I love these spoilers so much though. They just make coops look so good.
I like the look way more than when I had the B-Wave on here.
Yo, yeah, I was gonna say you had a different spoiler on here, didn't you? The
Yeah.
big B-Wave thing. What did you do with that?
I sold it to Ben Johnson for his Sylvia.
Yeah, for Sylvia, yeah. That's a popular style right now. Oh, I'm excited for all the different stuff. Yeah, yeah, that's gonna be lots of fun. I can't wait to see this thing all one sick white. Yeah, it's gonna look good. He's like, oh, I'm fucking taking that out.
Yeah. No, we need to go buy some locking lugs.
Yeah.
'Cause,
Yeah, right.
yeah. Tori just wants to take these off so he can put them on his car and be cool.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna put my wheels on your car.
I mean, yeah, you got this thing down here. How did it feel to be on cool wheels?
I almost didn't make it down the
I was
driveway.
gonna
The last time you're ever gonna see this car looking like this.
Last time it's ever gonna look like shit. It's
That's
been looking
pretty
like
cool.
shit for a long time.
faith in me here. You put a lot of faith in me
Still looks like shit, but one color, okay?
Yeah, one color of shit.
One color of shit, yeah.
Yeah. The elephant nutsack hide.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so true, eh?
Whale day.
I remember when I first bought my coupe, it's an LE as well, and it had like the really dumpy like old man cloth like seats in it, you know, and you just looked at them and you're like,
They're like tweed.
yeah, like
Yeah.
literally like sewed together.
Yeah.
And you're just like, oh, this looks so bad, guys.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool.
Just drop it off, come back for some more videos.
Yeah. Yeah, well, this week. We'll get you guys back this week.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we, Danielle's working for me full time now, so,
Oh, it's tight.
things go quick now.
Yeah.
Yeah, not like before where it was like all after hours, you know, like yeah, evenings and weekends only. Danielle's now like able to do all the prep and like everything, and then I can come home at night and spend a few hours, and it's really speeding things up for us. So last week was the first week she worked for me, so your car's gonna be quick. It won't be like the Subaru.
Hell yeah.
Yeah,
So-
I'm sure come like midweek we'll be like full. This thing will be sanded, masked, and you name it.
hell yeah.
We're quick with 240s. We've done so many of them
I was
now.
gonna say, we know how to take them apart.
Yeah, I don't have to figure anything out. It's just do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Subaru was so confusing. I'm like, I've never worked on a Subaru in my life. How do I get this fucking door panel off? And like, yeah, there was things about the Subaru. I was like, whoa. That's difficult. Their trim is really hard to get off on Subarus. They use clips like I've never seen before. Nissan, it's just like reef on it and it all pops off and you're like, sick.
Fuck. Dropped a rack at Best Buy. Got the Sony ZV-1 extra battery.
No, we're fucking lost, man. Where the hell are we? We need to go back.
Fuck, man. God damn it. Yeah. We just dropped a rack on a new camera.
Fucking sucks, don't it?
Rough.
Where
Oh. There's even wrong. I think going down one more was incorrect. Hopefully no one robs us in the next 10 minutes. Dicks crossed, nuts tangled. But yeah, it's exciting. Cars off to paint. We'll be filming more videos with Torrance. Excellent guy. God, watch this. It's called yoga.
The boys will try to hit 10 million.